Hey guys, welcome back to Gamer Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make some crispy hot fried chicken. Let's get started. So first you want to add 1 teaspoon of paprika spice into a bowl of flour. You know, you got the quantities right. They're in the description as always. And then stir that in to give the flour some spice. Then you want to add the other teaspoon of paprika into a bowl with breadcrumbs, and then stir that up as another way to give the chicken some spice. Smoked paprika, delicious. Now crack 1 egg into another bowl, and then add half a cup of milk in there, and then you want to beat that. And you'll soak the chicken in this. So now get your chicken thighs, and then, first dip them in the flour. So you can get flour on there. Make sure to coat it thoroughly. Shake off the excess if necessary. Now dip it in egg mixture. Then just let it drip off, and then to the breadcrumbs. Mount it over the chicken and press down. Then let it sit there until it's ready to fry. Alright, now just do the rest of the chicken. So we got a grown up to help you with this next part. Start frying. Fill the pot with canola oil and let that heat up. Now, when the oil gets hot, drop some chicken in and then let it fry for a few minutes. Oh, so now you see that chicken, once it's golden brown, on the side is cooked completely, you put it on the plate. You can fry multiple pieces of chicken at once. And this is how you make the perfect fried chicken. When you bring the oil to a high heat, bring it down to a medium-high heat so it stays at temperature. You can also serve with any hot sauce of your choice. Perfect. So tonight will be reviewed by my mom, our critic tonight. So try the chicken. How does it taste?
Let's see.
You're not even a big fan of this stuff. We made some air fried version. First we put it to deep fry.
It's hot.
Yeah, is it delicious?
It's moist.
Yeah.
It's got a little kick to it.
Yeah.
The dipping sauce is a little bit salty, or maybe strong in the vinegar for me, I'm not sure. But really good overall.
Thanks.
Yeah, nice job.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Ring notification bell to see all my future content. And we love all of you so much. Bye, guys.